Hey guys, I'm back again with a new bloom pour for you. I think after this video we can safely say that the Valspar Reserve in base C is a pretty safe replacement for the Sherwin Williams paint that I normally use. I'm going to keep it quick, so the colors that I'm using today are Primary Elements by ColourArte in Nutmeg, Lukas Cryl Green Earth mixed with Primary Elements Olive Vine, Lukas Cryl in Fern, and Primary Elements in Ginger Peach. I was going for a kind of a reptile vibe, and I think that translated pretty well. You may notice in the close-up there's a spot on there that got messed up. My best guess as to what happened was me pulling the comb too far into the paint and not paying close enough attention to if it went back in place or not. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this pour. If you have any requests on what you would like to see next, leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. That's it from me. I'll see you next pour. Bye.